Okay, welcome to your blank Google form. Before we get started, let's make this into a quiz. It's very easy to make your Google form into a quiz. So let's go up here, it says settings, and on the right-hand side, there's a tab that says quiz, and just check on this setting. Make this a quiz. Save. And let's make one question real quick. What is my name? Now there's a feature down here that says answer key. If you click on answer key, this allows you to choose the correct answer of a multiple choice question. So I choose the right answer and done. Now if I click on the I up here, I can preview my test. So this time, if I answer the question, I submit, I can view my score, and I got it correct. Yay! All right, let's move on to the next step where we can actually create quiz questions in our video. Until then, cheers!